Hey guys, so today I want to showcase another idea of the agents, and this time we have a team of agents who's helping us at LupApps to do the QA plans. So let's assume we have a new feature that we'd like to deploy, and before we deploy, as always, before we deploy any feature, we would like to do a QA tests and QA plan. So in order to do so, we're using two new agents in our team, which called Lara Croft and also the Gatekeeper. And let me show you how it actually works. So within this task, we have also the specification for the specific feature. And once the developer complete all the development work, he can send it into the QA stage. Once he's doing it, Lara, which is Lara Croft actually, which is our QA agent, goes and digests all the spec file. From the spec file, she can understand by herself what is the scope of this feature, if it's a small feature, medium feature, big feature, and according to this, she knows how to create the task plan for this actual feature. Right after the dev is changing the status to sending the feature actually to the QA, you can also make sure that the agent got the job, and as we can see, we have a confirmation over here from Lara. We can like the confirmation that she is on it. She is digesting currently the plan and creating the test plan for our QA tester. So actually what Lara Croft is doing, she's going into our QA test plans board. She's creating a new test plan for Burka, our QA tester. And as soon as the plan is ready, she will send Burka and the team a message on our general Slack channel. Here it is. QA plan feature is now ready, and that's the test cases. Within this message, I can see all the test cases that the agents suggested, and I can guide Burka for what we want to test actually and what not. And Burka can also go ahead and see the plan itself by clicking the link below. And Burka will know exactly which test cases he needs to test. Lara also populated the steps for each one of the tests for him and the expected results, so Burka exactly knows what he needs to do. Right after Burka finishes the test, he can pick up if the test is passed, fail, or blocked for some reason. The blocked is only for when we are for sure don't want to go ahead and release this feature, if we have a really no-go thing. But fail is like when it operates but not exactly as we wanted, and pass is when everything is fine. The actual result is been filled in over here, and once Burka filling in all the information regarding the test for now, let's assume everything is passed, and then we have one fail, or maybe even two fails, and the last one is pass. So Burka can change the status to notify the agents that he finished the actual test phase. At this moment, the Gatekeeper agent will join in. Soon he will let us know that he got the job. Cool, so we can see that the Gatekeeper got notified that Burka finished all the tests. Now the Gatekeeper is going through all the tests that Burka made and goes through the results in order to understand if we can go ahead with the feature release or we should do something else with it. So right after the Gatekeeper finished to scan all the tests of Burka, he sends us the Slack message on our general Slack channel, and here I can immediately see how many of the tests passed, how many failed, what is the pass rate, if we have any critical bugs which we found out, and immediately I know where we're standing. I also have a link over here to get back into the QA plan. Over here I can see that the verdict is conditional and the verdict reasoning, and I can decide if we want to move ahead to release or block it or take it back to Burka or dev in order to make sure that the feature is finalized and everything is done. So happy to share with you this implementation, this QA pod with the two agents that we've built. This is actually live in production, and we're using it on a daily basis from now on. So thanks.